In today's video, I'm going to share with you the biggest mistakes that I see new course creators making. In my business, I've worked with hundreds of course creators, and these are the issues that come up time and time again. But don't worry, I'm going to share with you the solution as well. Okay, mistake number one is choosing a topic that is way too general or too broad. You don't want your topic to feel like something that someone could just go ahead and Google and find a blog post with the answer to. So in 2025, people will absolutely still purchase online courses, but the ones that are really going to succeed are going to be those that are more a specific framework or strategy. So for example, don't choose a broad topic like how to become more confident. Go more specific. For example, how to become a more confident public speaker. That's going to be much easier to sell than the broader course. The next one is closely related, and that's not selling the result. So often new course creators will talk about what their students will learn, but they fail to make the connection to what that end result is, which is ultimately what someone is purchasing when they purchase your online course. So you want to focus on what the results are and how this will change someone's life once they come and join your course and learn everything that you have to share. So for example, in my program, Uplevel with Asana, I teach business owners how to organize their business in Asana. But the result that I focus on is the time saved and the business growth that occurs now that their business is streamlined and systematized. Okay, so that is my exciting, life-changing result of that program. So at the end of the day, remember what you are selling. Okay, the next mistake is once you get to the course creation part, overloading your course with content and thinking that more is better. I was absolutely guilty of this one when I created my first online course. So when someone is purchasing your online course, they are doing so because it is a shorter, more efficient way to get the result that they want. Okay, think of it as a roadmap. And I like to think of it as getting someone from point A, where they are right now, to point B, which is that desired result, that end state, and where they want to go. So because they are buying to save time, you have to keep that in mind. So don't add any lessons that are just extras or like helpful info that could be beneficial. No, simplify it for people, give them a step-by-step roadmap, and they are going to value that so much. The next mistake is spending months and months creating your course before knowing if anybody wants it or would purchase it. So for this reason, I highly recommend pre-selling your course before you ever create it. Yes. Now I know that can sound intimidating, but trust me, this is for the best. This is going to save you so much time and energy, and make sure that you are creating the course that your future students really want. So what this means is you are going to actually start with your marketing first. You are going to get clarity on your ideal client, on this transformation, and you're going to put together information about what your course will be. You're going to come up with a detailed outline so you will know exactly what you plan on teaching, but you're not going to go ahead and then dive into filming all of your lessons and doing that part. Instead, you will first sell your course to validate that yes, people want it, that yes, your messaging is strong. And then after that, you can create your course. And what's cool about this is you can do it alongside your students. So you can either teach live on Zoom if that feels good for you, or you can just release a pre-recorded module week by week after that. And finally, the last mistake is not understanding the traffic that is required for this type of business. So on average, 1 to 5% of all the people that join your email list, so people that raise their hands and say, yes, I'm interested in this topic, 1 to 5% of those people will actually buy. So a really helpful exercise is to reverse engineer. So reverse engineer your sales goals, calculate, okay, how many people would I need on my email list in order to achieve this? And it's going to give you a lot of clarity and show where the main marketing gap is for most new course creators. So you have to build your email list. You have to get in front of your ideal client. You cannot just expect that build it and they will come. No, it's get in front of people, build your audience, and then you're going to be able to sell an online course to them. I just did a YouTube video on how to grow your email list, so I will link to that down below. So those are all the mistakes. Do not feel bad if you have made any of these because I have made all of them. Now you can avoid these for your next online course and achieve even faster success. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know any questions or comments down below, and I'll see you real soon with another video. Bye.